Hello, hi. I'm Claire. I'm an early years specialist.
And I'm 5 and I'm Mason.
Very good. And today we are really excited because we are going to be exploring the Osmo Little Genius set that we have been sent. Now, Mason did actually get a set of Osmo for Christmas, didn't you? You got the other one, the creative one. And this time we're going to be trying this one, the Little Genius. And it's great because it's for children aged 3 to 5. And this one contains 4 games and it comes with lots of bits and pieces. So we're going to open the box and see what's in there. We're going to get it set up and then we're going to have a little play. So let's have a look, shall we? So there's instructions there how to get it all set up.
I know.
Osmonaut, that's cool. Oh, and this has got your play mat in. Yeah, do you want to peel that off? So we've got our iPad ready and we've downloaded the software that you need, but all the instructions are on the box nice and clearly for us. Just pop that to the side. Move that out of the way and we'll save that for later.
And this is the part what you have to put on the iPad, like this.
That's right. So you put that on
it
top.
makes it on Osmo.
Good boy. That's right. So you put that on top over the camera. Good boy. Now then, so we'll have that ready. So we'll just get that ready. And before we do that, Mace, I just want to show you. So in here we've got our play mat.
Yeah,
So we take that out. It's soft. Oh, it's lovely. Feel that. Oh, it feels lovely. It's like a rubbery mat. And you place that in front of the iPad. In fact, if we do it at the side, you'll be able to see. So if we do it like that at the angle. Okay, and then there's more in the box, Mace. We've missed these. Look. Ah, so these are the things that we need for some of the games. So if we play the Squiggle Magic game, we're going to need those. And the costume party, we're going to need these. Okay, so let's have a look. Which game are we going to choose? So we've got ABCs, costume party, Squiggle Magic, or stories. Costume. Let's see, all fixed together. Oh. I think I want you to match up with that one with the little gecko in his hair. Can you see what it's looking at? What's he looking for?
A torch.
Torch. Has anyone got a torch?
This one?
Oh, maybe. Okay, so now we've chosen to play the ABCs game and we need our little box of props.
Box of props?
Yeah, what does it say?
How old are you?
How old are you?
5.
Yeah, good boy. That's it.
First, place this piece down. Then, place this piece down. When you're done making the letter, tap here. Okay, now to pull it in. A is for
Crocodile.
alligator.
Alligator.
Let's make the sound for A.
A.
It sounds...
Okay, we're going to play the last game from Osmo, and this one is going to be stories. So we need these little bits and pieces for stories. Okay, should we have a go, Mace?
Now not this one.
Okay, so we have been playing with our super cool Osmo, the Genius Kit starter pack, and we've tried all 4 games that are included: the ABCs, the Squiggle Magic, the Costume Party, and
my favourite one is the story, but because I like bears, because then he was sleeping the way, so he tried to wake him up, but then it woke him up. It's so funny. So he got like that. Oh.
So we have just enjoyed an afternoon of exploring the Little Genius starter kit from Osmo. I have to say, we did actually buy Mason the creative pack for Christmas, and I really liked it, really enjoyed it. It's been great for teaching him how to be independent and doing tasks and fulfilling tasks on his own, and also listening to instructions, which is always fun and games, isn't it? But just have to say, we've gone through all 4 of the games as part of the kit. I've really enjoyed it, actually. I've loved watching him. He's been interacting, he's been talking back to the characters, he's been laughing, it's a good sense of humour, and it's interactive more than just pressing buttons. He's actually doing stuff and really having to think about what he's doing. And as a parent's point of view, I really liked the way that the character was like praising Mason for what he's done. And at one point he said that he was really proud of Mason. And Mason said, he was like, he's proud of me. And it obviously really touched him and meant a lot to him. So I just thought it was brilliant. Yes, I'm already a big fan, but I can see us continuing to use this, particularly as we're spending lots of time at home at the moment. And there are times when I need Mason, who's 5 now, he needs to be able to work and play independently on his own. So what better way that he's playing and learning at the same time, which just ticks all the boxes for me. So thank you very much, Osmo. We've really enjoyed it. So running playHOORAY and being an early years specialist, I find that I'm often found talking about screen time, because I think it's one of those things that I think we're not sure how we should feel about it, because as our children spend more and more time with technology, and technology advances as well, it's a bit of a love-hate relationship, isn't it? And I think also there's a lot of guilt that goes with our children spending time on the screens. However, like I always say to any parents and families that I work with, is that it's something to really consider is actually the quality of the content of what they are watching and what they're consuming. There are some TV programs and apps and things like Osmo that have been created with specialists. There's lots of research that goes into them, and they create them to support children's development. There are other things, as we all know, that are maybe not created for that and more of a money-making scheme. So I think it's just about being aware if your child is choosing to spend time on a screen, it's thinking about what they're watching and what they're consuming. And something like Osmo has been really great for that, for supporting learning, but also getting them to think for themselves, solving problems, and all that active play-based learning, which I am a huge fan of. So when it comes to screen time, I think it's important for us parents not to feel guilty if our children are consuming quality content.